Yeah, man. So tell us a little bit about your success with blogging and what's your strategy with blogging?
Yeah, so it goes back many, many years ago. Back, gosh, probably 2008 or so is when I started really getting into blogging. There was a network back then. I was doing research. Let me back up another step. So my father and I had a website that we were using, and it was doing okay and was getting us business. And hey, we did 137 transactions. Woohoo! We were awesome. And then all of a sudden, the market crashed, and we're trying to find ways to generate business when our market down to doing 13. And so we're trying to figure out things to do. And I did a bunch of research online and, different things. And I went, you know what? I need to get these things added into my website. And so we had an old advanced access website at the time. I called them up and started asking them, hey, what can we do to get these things? And they're like, we don't have those options. So I started doing a little bit of research, found a company called Active Rain. And it was one of the first blogging platforms that was out there for real estate. And I dove in full speed ahead to it. And I was pushing stuff out back then. Was doing so well with it, actually, that Active Rain in 2009 into 2010 reached out and said, hey, you know what? Would you want to come work for us? And so I actually worked with them for about a year and traveled the country teaching people blogging, how to use websites, to generate leads, build their business, and get an incoming lead generation source to you that you're not having to sit out there and work. I don't have to run advertisements to generate the leads. They call me directly. I mean, I had one about 20 minutes before we got on this call today, who she'll be here on Tuesday with her fiance from New York, and they're here for 10 days and they want to buy.
Yeah,
And,
that's fantastic.
that's becoming more and more the norm for me, where the content I create is generating those leads.
Yeah, so that's what I really love about it because with YouTube, it's like passive lead generation. You make a video. I have videos I made 3 years ago that are still ranking on the first page of Google, still generating me leads. And blogging is very similar, right? You can do the exact same content just in a different format. And again, it can just generate you leads on autopilot.